Hello friends, welcome to the Library Information Science Portico. So in this short video, we try to understand the today topic, which is virtual reference services. Before that, we try to understand what is reference services is. So in general term, a reference service is the personalized assistant provided by librarians to help patron identify, locate and evaluate the information. So it is a personalized information provided by the librarian to help the user's patron identify, locate and evaluate the information. It serves as a bridge between a user and the library resource, ensuring they can pinpoint exactly what they need. So ये रेफरेंस सर्विस एक ब्रिज का काम करती है यूज़र और लाइब्रेरी रिसोर्सेज के बीच में, एंड ये प्रोवाइड और इंश्योर करती है कि यूज़र को पिन पॉइंट एग्जैक्टली इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाए जो उसे ज़रूरत है. सो रेफरेंस सर्विसेज आर जनरली कैटेगराइज्ड बाय द लेवल ऑफ असिस्टेंट रिक्वायर्ड. It can be ready reference services or are long range reference services, or it can be directional or navigational basis reference services, or the last one is a virtual reference service. That is our today topic. So let's understand one by one. The first is ready reference services. A ready reference service is quick factual answer that take a few minutes, such as looking up statistics, dates, library working hour, issue return timing, or definition using encyclopedia and almanacs. So ready reference service is just a to the point, to the answer to the users at the real time. It not need to any time to answer the user query question. So next is long range reference services. Long range reference service is a in-depth exhaustive assistant for complex research project, extensive literature search or navigating specialized database. Long range reference service take time. If a user want to require some information related to their literature or their research, then we need a time to provide their answer, so we can take time to answer the user query. So it is a long range reference service that take time to answer the user query. The third one is directional and navigational based reference services. In this reference service, we provide the basic guidance on using the library, including finding specific special section, restroom, or how to use the catalog. So these reference services are directional or navigational based reference services. The last one is a virtual reference services, which is we try to understand what is virtual reference services. A virtual reference services is a digital assistant provided through email, live web chat, or messaging services. A virtual reference services initiated electronically or often in a real time, where users employ computers or other internet technology to communicate with the librarians without being physically present. It is an online platform that offers real-time assistance to users. So basically, in virtual reference services, we initiated the services electronically, often in a real time, where users employ computer or other internet technology use करता है to communicate with librarians without being physically present. In this reference services, we use the online platform that offer real-time assistance to the users. So I hope you understand what is virtual reference services is. So let's move to the types of virtual reference services. There are main two types of virtual reference services, which is very important. First is asynchronous virtual reference services. In this asynchronous virtual reference services, patrons submit a question query and the librarian respond at a later time. For example, email, web form. Asynchronous virtual reference service में librarian को instant response देने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. वो टाइम ले सकता है यूज़र और पैट्रन की क्वेरी और क्वेश्चन को रिजॉल्व करने के लिए, उस रिस्पॉन्ड करने के लिए. सो in this asynchronous virtual reference services, response time can be delay. Example, emails are the good example. We cannot respond immediately to the email. When someone asking for some query or a question, we take time and then respond to the users or a patron after taking some decision or analysis the user query, then respond to the email. And the next one is asynchronous virtual reference services. In this virtual reference services, a patron and a librarian communicate in a real time. For example, chat, voice over IP, video conferencing through SMS or instant messaging. In synchronous is like a synchronous virtual reference service is like a ready reference services. We take instant reply or we go to the live to respond to the user query and immediate respond in this synchronous virtual reference service. So I hope you understand what is virtual reference services or what is reference services and their types. And virtual reference service is a very important service in today digital era, and it is an important part of our library environment. We do this in day-to-day operation of library. It is a very basic part of the every library. So I hope you understand what is virtual reference services. And if you have any doubt or a question, or if I missed something which are not including in the virtual reference services, and something is missing in this topic, so please share comments below so we can add in our next video. And I hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.